Uh-oh. Who's this guy?
Big safety flag with your cameras, eh? We got buzz calls coming out of everywhere.
Oh, really? What happened?
You're not allowed to do that, eh?
What?
Taking pictures on a dock like this?
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Without getting clearance?
Well, he had the camera. I don't know why he's got the camera.
What's the deal?
I just filmed stuff. That's all. Like, we're just like, I've never been here before and saw the, you know, this, and was just filming these piers and stupid shit.
It's just curious.
Yeah,
like these are like secure.
Right on.
Docks,
I had no idea.
So anybody that takes a picture, there's freaking cameras everywhere. There's flags. Like the cops are probably on their way. Seriously,
Really?
yeah. Like this, serious. You're probably considered a terrorist or something.
Wow.
Yeah.
Must be the beard.
Wow.
No, it's the camera.
Straight on.
Yeah.
Well, why?
Wow.
It's the gravel pit.
No, because it's an open access to the states, right?
Wow.
So, like we have such a serious, severe security plan. That if you're going to take pictures on any of these sites, like next door, the site's over, Imperial Oil, or anywhere like that, like the probably the one that rang was probably Imperial Oil.
Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Well, he's just screwing around.
I apologize.
Yeah. You're just for funds, or
Yeah.
No, I'm picking up gravel. He's here.
he's picking it up for you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just be alert. You can't do it on the French dock. You can't do it next door. It's on your concrete.
I've never been
If
into
you
this area before in my
If you
life.
get written authorization for what you want to do, not a big deal. But unless you have it, it gets flagged right away.
Wow.
Fair enough.
Like if you were under the bridge or something like that, and you're taking pictures of the bridge, even that they track you.
Really?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay. Well, all right, my
That's
apologies.
exactly what I need. Wow. Oops. I'm like, oh, it must have been my beard. No, it's your cameras. You can't take pictures along here and this and that. So I'm like, what?
Where the f are we going now?
Oh, it's from here. Yeah. Oh, here he comes again. He's gonna give us some shit terrible.
Also, when we were talking, was that thing on?
Sometimes.
And you're not supposed to film anybody if you have without their authorization that you're filming them, right? You know that's illegal.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Was it on?
So if I'm filming you without your consent, it's illegal.
Yeah. When we were talking over there, was it on?
Yeah.
We'll need to delete that before you leave. We should do it right now.
Well, we should call the police then because it's not illegal.
Yeah, it is illegal.
No, it isn't illegal.
Oh, you're taking pictures on a secure dock. Well, yeah, we can call the police.
Okay.
Okay.
Right on.
Get you to park.
Right on. Wow.
Nice guy.
Now he's authority of the law now, telling me what's illegal and stuff. $20,260. Holy! Wow.
And then one guy's got a GoPro kind of chest strap on his chest, and it's filming me when I'm talking to you. Right
All
now.
set?
So I said, well, you don't want to film anybody without their consent.
Wow. Everybody's a lawyer.
Yeah. Without film.
So now what's he do? Stand in front of my truck?
Yep.
Back off the scale and park in the back.
No, I gotta go. So you expect me, oh, well, you need to leave that now. That's illegal. You filming people without their consent, that's illegal. What? Like, where the f do these people come up with this shit? Oh my goodness. So we got to just wait for this guy to get gamer on his bullshit.
Well, it's Transport Canada, man. That's why.
Well, that's wonderful. Like, where's the signs? You know? He said, don't. I didn't. End of discussion. You know? It's not like I said, oh, we're not supposed to do this, and then just went and did it anyways. He told me not to. That was the end of it. We were on our way out. He started acting hard. You know what I mean? Fuck. Got to call every fucking Joe Dick and fucking son of a bitch to try to get us in trouble for fucking absolutely not breaking any fucking laws. Wow. Really fucking cool.
Don't get too excited, man. It's not worth it, right? Keep it cool.
Yeah, like I wouldn't have no issue if, you know, you weren't filming me as we're talking and you were okay with deleting.
Well, yeah, but it's your attitude, right? You can't tell me to delete my footage. Who are you? You know what I mean?
You're not allowed to film without people's
Where's the
consent.
sign? Show me. What are you talking about? I'm not allowed to film without people's consent?
Yeah, come. I'll show you our security plan. This is a secured site.
Yeah, but
when you come in, there's a big site that says this is under security, marsec level 1.
And I'm supposed to know what marsec level 1 is. Where's the sign that says no filming in here and this and that? I did.
And when
you said, what were you doing? What were you filming? I told you what we were doing and what we were filming, and then it was the end of the discussion, and I got in my truck and we were driving off, and then you stopped me over here to see if I was filming that.
Yeah. And you said, yeah, and I said, okay, well, you're not allowed to film people without authorization. Can you please delete the footage? And you said, no, get the cops. So that's what's happening.
Right on. So how long is this going to take?
Yeah. However long it does take.
Right on.
Sorry, man. I asked you very politely if you were willing to delete the footage because you're not allowed to film.
No, you didn't. You said you need to delete that right now before you go any further. That's what you said.
Well, I'm not going to argue with you.
Well, you don't need to argue with you. It's on fucking video, so.
See, there we go. It's on video.
Exactly. There's no, you are nobody. You can't say that I can or can't film fucking anything. If I can't be in here, you say, oh, you got a camera? You can leave. That's all you can do. You can ask me to leave. You can't do anything else. You can't make me delete my footage.
What's a lawyer doing driving a pickup truck in a trailer?
What's a lawyer doing working at a gravel pit, bud? What the f are you talking about, dude? You're a fucking idiot. F you, bud. Do something.
We are.
Delete my footage.
We are. The cops
Yeah, that's what I thought.
We're not after your footage to delete it now. That's not what we want to do. We have a security plan. We have to abide by it. If somebody's filming on our dock and they're not willing to cooperate with us.
Oh, man. I was. What part wasn't willing to cooperate? You came up, you said, hey, are you filming? I said, yeah. I apologize. I didn't know. Okay, that was the end of it. I got back in my truck. We got the gravel. We pulled up here. You stopped me.
Asked you to delete it. You said no.
Asked me to delete it. I don't have to delete it. This is where we are.
Yeah, and we're obligated by our security plan to call the cops.
Right on. Go ahead.
Well, it's done.
Right on. That's fucking great.
So you can stay until they show up.
Yeah, because you're holding us captive by blocking the fucking driveway. You have no right to do that to me.
You can leave if you want to, but they're
That's fine. Let me leave, please.
They're going to track you down.
That's okay. Yeah. My address is 31 Road, Inwood, Ontario, NO. Send them to my house, bud. They know exactly who I am. You know? My name's Chris. I drive a gray Dodge, black trailer. Are you going to get out of my way so I can leave?
Yeah, we can get
Okay, thank you. F***ing sakes. Yeah, unbelievable, dude. Can believe that shit? Tough guy. Yeah, right on, man. You're so scary, bro. Yeah, what a goof, eh? Lunges at me while I'm f***ing in the f***ing truck. You f***ing goof. Wow. Can you f***ing believe the shit I gotta put up with, man? Unbelievable.
Can't be happy with. Stop filming. Okay, yeah, we'll stop filming. We didn't know.
You're f***ing gonna be a star, bud. F*** you, f***ing asshole. Tough guy. Yeah, right on, man. You're so scary, bro.
That shouldn't be too bad for you.
How about go f*** yourself, goof?
Don't let the watchers get you.